At Migran Machinery, our honey spoon filling and sealing machines are divided into linear type and turntable type. According to the automation degree, it can be divided into manual spoon feeding and automatic spoon feeding of 1/6 spoons. Once for your choice. The corresponding production speed is 15 to 20 to 90 120 spoons minute. Just tell us the production capacity, the single filling volume, and your workshop floor plan. Then we can provide the drawing and solution for you. For more details, please feel free to contact us.